Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Ev, and today I'm going to be sharing with you all how to achieve this look, darling, or lack thereof, okay? I feel like I did a whole lot of something just for this style to look like a little bit of nothing, you know? Before I jump into it, I would like to thank RevAir for sponsoring this video and partnering with me. They have a new micro edge styler that is out, and I'm gonna show you guys how I use that tool. I absolutely love it, and I think it's fire if you wanna keep your edges done. So we'll jump into the details about that. And again, this style I was gonna call Lady Everett. I'm still gonna call it Lady Everett, all right? But I gotta refine it a little bit more in order for me to get the results that I'm looking for. So let's just jump into it and I'll show you guys what happened.
No, you're not crazy. My microphone in the previous clip is not all the way on, but we're trucking on anyway. So on to the RevAir, the reverse air dryer. You guys have seen me air dry my hair with this a million times. I love this so much. And in order to get the best, sleekest results, I have it on the highest heat setting, that is tick number 2, and a tension setting of 6. And this is a different wash day, but I have blow dried my hair and these are the results. Pretty consistent, which I love. I always know that I'm going to get a pretty sleek blow dry when I use the RevAir with no heat damage. And here is my hair half done. On the right is the straightened side. Now, in order to achieve the style for Lady Everett, I am straightening the other half of my head, but only on 360. You do not want to go all the way up to the highest heat setting so that you can leave in some of the volume and a little bit of texture. That's what 360 does for me. I know previously, before becoming a blowout natural, 360 didn't do a whole lot, but since I consistently straighten my hair now, it kind of gets the job done, so I don't need the optimal heat setting, which is great. Because in order to achieve this style, we are going to start off on straightened hair, but not bone straight hair. And now we are on to the star of the show. This is the micro edge styler from RevAir. This is such an ergonomic and lightweight tool. It's so easy to handle for maximum control without hand fatigue. And as you see here, this is the power button and the temperature display is digital, which I absolutely love. You guys know I have an eye condition, so reading really little numbers is super hard, but you can adjust this anywhere from 270 degrees to 430 degrees for every hair type. From delicate strands to thick textured hair, I think there will be a temperature for you, and I'm leaving mine on 410. Now with this precision tool, I am going to get daringly close and straighten my edges and see how that goes, because honestly, you guys know I have like 2 hairlines, a baby hairline and an actual hairline, and it is really hard for me to get a regular straightener in my edge area and actually not like nick myself and lightweight burn myself like a little bit. But this is giving me all the control and all the closeness without the risk of the burn. So I'm feeling it. As you can see here, it's doing a little something. It's doing a lot of something. I'm actually really impressed because I didn't think this little thing was gonna do anything for me and my hair type, but it actually is getting the job done like way better than I expected. These tourmaline ceramic coated plates reduce frizz, boost shine, and protect the hair from heat damage. And it is gentle on grays. I know you guys see some of mine peeking through. It has an even heat distribution and it creates a smooth result without scorching silver strands. And you guys also know I have been sideburn Sally for a billion years, so this is me being able to get my curly sideburns without burning myself and genuinely being impressed with the results. And as you see me here doing, I am just going over a few extra hairs, getting, again, daringly close, but not burning myself, which is amazing. Because sometimes I'll just let it be. I'll lay down my edges like with a scarf and then go to sleep. But if I don't have time for all of that, then now I can whip out this thing and get it done super fast. I know you guys also might be seeing my sweat stash going on because it's hot in the bathroom and I didn't want to sweat out the other side. So I'm just re-tapping those edges and making sure that they are going to stay as sleek as the other half of my head. And now for the final takedown, I put my hair in these Bantu knots just to get them out of the way so I don't mix hair or break hair in the process of me straightening it. And this is what things are looking like after straightening my hair for the Lady Everett style on 360, and then also getting my edges with the micro edge styler so that I have the control to really refine the style a little bit more and let you guys see what things are looking like. Once again, genuinely impressed because I never am able to get this close or to get my sideburns. So this precision tool gets a 2 thumbs up from me. and we are going to move on with the rest of the Lady Everett style, and this is what we're working with so far. So this is the next day. I am splitting my hair down the middle. I'm sectioning my bangs off here. They're really outgrown bangs, but I'm clipping them out of the way, and then I'm putting my hair into a high ponytail. I'm using a satin scrunchie and I'm wrapping it around 3 times. I split the ponytail into 2 and then the 2 halves into 2, so it's 4 sections all the way around. And then I am curling my hair and I am setting it with a barrel Velcro roller. It is not the largest barrel Velcro roller, but it's like the next size down. And I'm curling my bangs. Like I said, they're really grown out, so they're not bangs. But I am letting everything set it with the heat, and then I am spraying the heck out of it with hairspray. This style is supposed to be quick, same day kind of blowout voluminous kind of situation going on. But as you see here, it is not giving what it was supposed to have gave, okay? Like it did a little something, but not what it was supposed to do. So this is what we're looking like.
This style is going to last you approximately 30 seconds before it completely falls and flops into nothing. And I don't have the excuse of not using a holding product this time because I absolutely did. Maybe I didn't use enough, maybe I didn't use a strong enough one, and there's a whole lot of things that I feel like I could have done better when it comes to this style. But before I jump into what I should change, I'm gonna go over some more specs about the micro edge styler. It has a little clip here that I didn't realize when I was shooting the demo part. But so you guys can keep it closed, and I love that because you can fit this into an even smaller space. This thing is already very kind of tiny, and to me it's such a lightweight tool that traveling with this would be perfect because you can get the little micro, literally the micro edges. That's how I feel, because I've said this on my channel several times before. I feel like I have 2 hairlines, and in order to get really close, daringly close, I have to have a tool like this in order for the plates to get super close, because even a regular straightener is not going to get the hairs that I needed to get. And the precision with this is great because then I don't have to fear burning myself. Now you do need to know what you're doing and pay attention and look closely and all the things, but this is a lot of power compact down into a very tiny tool, and I am so here for it. Now that the summer's coming and the humidity is on 10, you guys know I am a blowout natural now, so most of the time I will be wearing my hair in a blown out state or a straightened state. And this, whenever I wash my face and my edges get recurled back up, this. Whenever I'm sweating after I go work out and then I need to re-up before I go do something, go out, get dressed, this. And whenever I need to just re-up on my sideburns, because y'all know I am like sideburn Sally, okay? This, if you are a hairy girl like me, okay, and you have lots of hair in places that other people don't, then this micro edge styler is perfect. It gets really close and the results speak for themselves. I absolutely love this, so I do highly recommend. If you guys are interested in the micro edge styler, then you can use my code down below for 10% off of your purchase, and that is EVANIREV. So check the description box for more details and use my link, use my code, and get daringly close with me. All the hairy girls, all the sideburn Sallys of the world, you know the struggle is real. And now on to a few things that I would do differently because I want Lady Everett to be a successful style, but right now she's just not that girl. 1, I would use a smaller barrel when curling my hair. 2, I would use a smaller rollers when I'm doing the set for the Velcro rollers. 3, I would also use more hairspray, but in more strategic locations. I think I was just kind of spraying around the edges, and I think I need to be a little more strategic. 4, I would also use a stronger hold hairspray. I do like this like mild bump that I got going on here, and I do think it's gonna last. The mild little flip we got going on here, but I don't think I needed to use that much product for these results. I wanted something to have a little bit more body to it. I would also let this set maybe overnight, like I would sleep in it. I don't know, we'll see. I'll let it set longer, I'll say. Maybe not overnight, but I'll definitely let it set longer. And potentially use a holding product before curling and again the hairspray after curling. So yeah, those are my tips for getting Lady Everett to work out for you, even though, you know, y'all see what I'm working with. This is okay. It's okay. She's okay. She's doing something. But we're up to now the styles lasting 30 seconds, and I think that's a plus. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to use my code if you're interested in the micro edge styler. Thank you again to RevAir for partnering with me on this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye guys.